Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to turn on your Logitech G Pro steering wheel. So first, as you guys can see, we have the steering wheel right here, and what we want to do with it is basically enable it. So we got the button here, it's red and it says start stop like you're running an engine. And here I've got the Logitech app, so Logitech G Hub, so you guys will see when it connects. So what we need to do is we need to press and hold this button for a second. Now we'll let go of it and the screen should show you something. The screen is right here, and as you guys can see now it's initializing, it's doing it by itself. So all we gotta do is now wait. As you guys can see, we have all of the settings here, and now we can have some fun with the steering wheel. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.